Dang, we got cameras on cameras. All right, we out. Colombia. Let's ride.
Why, bro?
Huh?
Why you gotta be extra, bro? Why you gotta look extra South American right now?
You saw that shit?
Come on. Yo,
we're going to Colombia, not Cuba, bro.
Yo, hold on.
Yo, chill out, bro. I'm ready too, bro. What you need?
We got you one, bro.
Trey White.
That's crazy.
No, you don't got it.
I'm pre-checked though, right? Oh, I bust it. Whoa, time out now. Stop playing.
This man got the...
You know what I'm saying? Superman returns.
This is gonna be your first stamp, and your passport's already souped up.
Every time. I can skip the line, but I'm always getting checked. TSA pre-check. That's all it means. You skip the line to get checked. Somebody recognize me.
No one recognized me, unfortunately. But in Colombia, they're gonna call me Maluma. I'm getting me some coffee.
Recognize me.
Yo, so appreciate the coffee, man. Subscriber, right? You watch the channel?
Yeah, I do.
You cut hair?
No. I cut my little son's hair, but I don't cut hair here.
Okay, cool. Well, appreciate you meeting you, man. What was your name?
Man. Jamie.
Jamie, nice to meet you.
I got 3 cups there because it's really strong when it's in there.
Thank you so much,
How
man.
about you guys?
I appreciate it. What is this?
Colada.
Colada.
Colada from Zaza.
I've never had a colada, but we just got a colada from Zaza. We have arrived in Colombia. Yo, it's cold. So our first stop is Bogota. We got a class in about 2 hours. We're gonna try to check into the Airbnb first. It's kind of cold out here, I ain't gonna lie. But let's see what it's looking like out here. Y'all ready? Let's check out Bogota. Start the B-roll. Alright guys, we arrived. We here with Jason, Loco. We about to pop up in this class. We're running. It looks like we're running a little bit late, but I think we're fine. He's got 19 minutes, so it's lit. Jason got the taxi jamming out, but he just taught us something. 2 guys are not legally allowed on a motorcycle. It could be a guy and a girl and a guy, but it can't be 2 guys. Interesting. This class is over here in Bogota at La Villa Barbershop. It was dope. Had a good time. Jason did a little. Jason got some work done. Sheesh. Yo, we here at the Airbnb, and Jason is the ultimate Airbnb booker. Like, this is a penthouse, bruh. Bruh, this is savage. Like, yo, I feel like I finally did something with my life.
You made it.
Yo, how we open up these 2 shit?
Yo, we made it.
Yo,
Is that cow? Bro, that is
that's cow high, bro. That's not the real thing, bro.
That's cow high.
In the city.
Yo, mama, man, we go.
Yo, open up all the blunt. All glass, everything.
Oh my God. Yo, the towel.
Yeah, the towel.
This is beautiful. This is worth it.
Damn, this got rooms for real, bro. Like, you could take a shower on the toilet.
Oh, right here. Wi-Fi.
This is Jason's room.
Yo, but why the lights are way down there?
That's what I'm trying to figure out too.
Lights on the floor pretty much.
Tito Beats Production.
Loco, we in Colombia, we in Bogota. We got this amazing,
genius idea.
we got this amazing freaking view of the city.
So where's that at?
Yo, we need to get a closer shot, bro. We need to get closer. I wanna see what's going on
That way.
Oh, this is.
You about to fly that over there?
Challenge accepted.
We could go to jail, or nothing could happen, and we have great footage.
What I'm scared of is coming back in.
This might be one of the top 5 dumbest things we've ever done. But hey, once in a lifetime, Bogota. Let's see what happens. Bro, please tell me you're recording.
Tell me I got that on camera.
Please tell me you're recording.
I'm not recording.
Record.
Perez has the SD card.
I have an SD card, bro.
Like 4 of them shit too.
Dan, you gotta bring it back.
Damn, you gotta get that landing.
Wow, L of the year. You get the L of the year.
Oh, you got it, bro.
I'm shaking, bro.
You shake it?
I'm literally shaking.
Bro, what the fuck you doing?
Not me.
What the? Oh
Not me.
shit! Oh shit! It's on auto. You gotta grab it quick. Shut it off.
Bring it down.
Oh my god.
That's so cool, bro.
I'm shaking.
He's shaking, son. Like for real shaking.
That's cool.
Okay, we failed.
This.
One of the sensors?
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I think it's a bad idea right now.
What came out? Oh, ain't bad.
Otra vez.
Alright, we're gonna try this again. Woo! Woo!
Tito Beats Production.
Here. Let's see what the food is like in a Colombian restaurant.
Buenas tardes.
Okay,
Una arepita. What do you want to eat? Lunch or?
That doesn't look that bad. What is this?
Pictures.
What is this right here?
What is that?
that is, ¿qué dice? Chunchullo. Chunchullo.
It doesn't look good.
Oh, it's really good. I don't want to tell you what is it after you try it.
Wait,
but
no,
I think
tell us what it is. You gotta tell us what it is.
It's
for the camera.
crunchy.
Crunchy what?
I don't know. I want you to try it first.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I don't think we're even gonna order it, but what is it?
It looks
Okay,
like
we can try it next. Like
intestines.
At the
what
next
is it?
restaurant,
What is
it's a part of an animal. It's
Intestine. See, I knew it. Not doing it.
Oh, you're like a foodologist.
I knew it. It said it's like a typical Colombian restaurant. It's gorgeous. Cucaracho?
Cucaracho.
What'd you get?
100% alcohol. Rubbing alcohol for your wounds.
And this is, what is this?
Plantain chips
Banana chips and salsa.
Homemade salsa.
with hot salsa. Yeah.
granadilla y como esas cosas.
It's from the tropical
Champús.
champus.
It's
Champús?
with
Champus. It's with lulo. There is a tropical fruit, corn, and apple juice maybe. And
There's no alcohol in it?
it's not alcohol.
if you
Stop eating.
So what are these?
Take it
This
slow.
is carimañola de queso, this is empanada costeña, and this is aborrajado. That is with bocadillo and cheese.
All of them fried.
Yeah, all of them are fried and really good. And this is suero costeño.
Do you want to try this?
It's made of cheese. These are plantains with lentejas and potato. And this is inside. She told us that there's corn or suero too, and there's plantains.
Yeah.
Everything is good. Just try it.
No son hechos.
just like the way they present it. It's really pretty. Bro, I gotta buy a sweater.
All right, so now we're gonna go touring. We're gonna go check out Bogota and all of its beauty. Check this out.
Don't artist.
Oh snap!
Just that! Almost died!
It's a llama.
That's crazy. Like a llama out. Like, bro, I don't want no car.
Forget a car. We do llamas out here.
I've been on one, but
Morena de Monserrate. A su llegada a la cima.
Yo, coming down is gonna be the best part.
I thought it's not that railroad, that crate thing.
Where do they climb? Those are the steps that they use their knees?
No.
Oh.
They're not.
It looks real uncomfortable. I'm about to say. Oh my God, look at this view.
Yo, that is crazy. The cat's on the way down. How tall is this mountain?
3,200.
Mad high.
Standing at 3,152 meters high.
This shit is sketchy. Yo. This is sketchy, bro.
Oh my gosh. I hope that they trim this. How do they trim it? Yo, we about to die. We're so close.
Gorgeous vegetation.
This is sketchy, bro.
Okay, we're good.
Yo, my
When this
ears.
house just come out of nowhere.
You made
My ears are popping.
yeah.
Oh my.
So this is a church sitting on the top, pretty much the top of Bogota.
Like them?
I don't know, I just thought it was important to show you guys the nuns. We're about to go down, but we're the first ones on this trolley. So it's gonna be some lit views.
It's about to go down. Get ready for that drop. Hands up, everybody. Oh, that was not cool.
Oh my gosh.
I'll fall backwards. I'm sorry. Yo, this is Treyway. This is crazy.
That was sketchy, bro.
Yo, this is crazy. Catch the people.
Alright guys, what is your review on that whole experience?
That was
Closest
awesome.
thing I'll get to heaven.
I literally could have reached out and probably touched Jesus.
It was crazy.
It was up there.
If you ever in Bogota, definitely worth
What's the name of
checking
this
this
spot
out.
again?
What is the name of this?
Monserrate.
Say it one more time.
Monserrate.
Monserrate. Come check out Monserrate. One of y'all gotta try the answer.
You want to try?
¿Cómo se llama?
I'll do it. I'll do it for the vlog. I'll do it for the
You
vlog.
gonna buy it? You gonna buy it and eat?
You buy it, I'll
Yes.
eat it.
Big
These are
ass?
called big ass ants.
Yeah.
This is an ant.
Show it. I'm
This is
sorry.
an ant. Crikey, mate, it's an ant.
Hold on.
Go for
Bro,
it.
you gotta do 5 at once, bro. Don't play.
Arriba,
They count.
abajo, al centro.